In this video, I am going to be showing you how to co-parenting in Widgetable app. So first, open the Widgetable app. Now click on the pet section. Now you can click on the co-parenting option on the top. You have two options. Now click on the top one. Now select a pet or an egg to share with your friend. Now name the pet and start co-parenting. Now share this code with your friend via WhatsApp or any other application. Now open the Widgetable app in your other phone. Click on the pet option. Now click on the co-parenting option. Now choose the second option. Now enter your friend's co-parenting code in the given field to join co-parenting with your friend. Now click on the join co-parenting button. Now click on the agree button. And you can name your pet. Co-parenting has been started. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments and must like and subscribe if this video helped out.